Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today I'll be reviewing two of my personal favorite animated watch face by Urarity for Galaxy Watch Active 1 as well as Active 2. Since I'm a big fan of Urarity animated watch face, I reached out to the developer and the developer is kind enough to sponsor a free giveaway of 20 of these watch faces. So all you have to do to qualify to get either of these watch face for free is to subscribe, like and comment down below your favorite clock face and I'll select 20 lucky winners. So let's get started. Alright, starting off with the Solaris animated watch face, which is available on the Galaxy App Store, and I purchased it for $1.19, which was on sale at that time, so price may vary, but hey, you can get it for free by entering the giveaway. There are two versions of it. The one I have over here is the digital, but as you can see over here, you can also get an analog if that's what you want. Okay, so once installed and applied, you will see this amazing animated watch face with a planetary and interstellar feel. I have linked this watch face as well as other animated watch faces by this developer in the description of this video, so be sure to check them out. Now right off the back, I really appreciate the fine animated detail and look at the smoothness of the animations as well as attention to details like the flames of the sun, the rotating earth, a moon phase graphics beside the earth, battery level percentage animated ring, and the animated second dot. It's so flawless. Now this watch face is not just about animations, but it also is a highly functional clock face. If you have been watching my videos regularly, you know that I'm a huge fan of functional watch face where you can access a lot of shortcuts right from the clock face, and this watch face stands above and beyond my expectation. Like you can find calendar when you click on the date over here. When you click on the floor climbed, you will find the shortcut to S Health. You can access your heart rate over here, live second counter along with a very smooth rotating second dot, as well as you can access the step counter at the bottom. Now on top of all these, there are a few hidden customizable shortcuts, like when I click on the earth, I'll be directed to find my phone. When I click on the time, the phone app will open. And when I click on the battery percentage, which by the way has a cool animated ring just like the planet Saturn, the calculator will open. And when I click the second counter, the alarm app will open. Now these all are my personal custom defined shortcuts. By any means, if you want to change these shortcuts, all you have to do is double tap on the icon you need to change and the app menu will open. Go ahead and select whichever shortcut you want and it will be assigned to that portion of the screen. I personally find this so handy that most of the time I just access all these apps right from the clock face versus actually going in the menu. All that being said, this is really a cool and a highly functional watch face. Every time I pull it out, I can say for sure it's a conversation opener. Apart from top of the line animation and graphics, this watch face has shortcuts to almost 9 statistics and apps on top of the time. It even shows the moon phase with actual animated graphic icon. And lastly, I'll conclude that in my personal experience, it does not affect the battery life. So there you go, just comment down below and you will automatically qualify to get this amazing watch face for absolutely no charge. Next up on top animated watch face list is the Sapphire Pulse version 5. This was selected as the best watch face for Samsung in 2017 and 2018. This is also available on the Galaxy App Store, or you can find it linked in the description of this video. Once installed, you will see this futuristic pulsating and glowing animation which is so smooth and almost makes you feel as if the watch is breathing. Guys, the video may not do good of a justice, but in person this is just a mind-blowing animated watch face. If you pay close attention, the pulsating ring, when it reaches the edge of the screen, it will glow up the hidden distinctive elements. Now the developer has provided an option with which you can freeze the glowing ring over the hidden elements, so you don't have to wait until the pulsating ring reaches the edge of the screen. So to do that, just double tap on the 9, 12 or 3 o'clock marker. Let me show it to you. So now you can see options like alarm. So clicking on it will open the alarm app. Next up, you'll find the heart rate indicator. Again, click on it, will take you to the heart rate monitor. You'll find steps at the bottom. Clicking on it will open the S Health. Next, you will find the day and date. Clicking on the date will open the calendar app. If you click on the center of the screen, it will take you to the weather app. Above the date, you will find the battery level indicator. Clicking on this dot will open up the settings. Now, one really cool feature about this watch face is that when the battery level falls to the last two dots, the watch face changes its color to red with a blue ring, and the last two battery level dots will turn red as shown over here. And finally, when the battery level is almost about to die, everything will turn red as shown over here. Keep in mind, you cannot change the watch face to red intentionally. You have to wait until the battery level falls down. So that's a lot of shortcut to access with the hidden features on top of the contemporary animation. So this watch face is definitely an attention grabber, and you can get one for yourself at absolutely no charge if you just hit that subscribe button, give a thumbs up and comment down below to enter the free giveaway of 20 of these watch face. Once again, a big shout out to Urarity for developing such awesome animated watch faces and sponsoring the free giveaways of this video. Guys, you can check out their list of other cool animated watch faces in the links down below. So I really hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then please give this video a thumbs up, and maybe give it a thumbs up anyways as an appreciation to our effort for making this video. It really means a lot. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any upcoming videos, and take care. I'll see you guys in the next one.